How to solve the Telegram SMS fee problem. First and foremost, let's download Telegram X. Then the other thing that you have to make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. I mean the official Telegram app. Mine is already up to date. Make sure that yours is up to date too. I'm gonna show you where we're gonna use Telegram X. Now let's open our Telegram X. Let me insert my phone number that I wanna use. Now unfortunately, it is telling me that they've sent the code to the Telegram app of the other device, of which device I don't have. This is a new number, it doesn't have even a Telegram account. So I know most of the people are facing this problem, but now the only way to solve it is what I'm gonna explain in a few minutes of this video. What we're gonna do, let's open our Telegram app, the official app. So let me try to log in. So it is asking me to insert my login email. So let me insert the login email. And they're letting me know that the code has been sent to my email that I've inserted currently. So let me go check it. Let me insert the code, and so now this is the SMS fee pop-up. It is requesting me to subscribe to the weekly premium. Okay, let me subscribe. So this is how you subscribe. You come right here, you insert your Visa number, you verify, you enter your account number. You can add a debit card or credit card right here, and your bank details, your card details. Then when you're done, you save the card. So now when you're subscribing, you tap right here to buy, and you need to verify, and it's processing. After your payment is successful, now you will be able to log into your Telegram account. Now the instance of using Telegram X came from now you will have to have another device. You can install Telegram X on that device. It will display the code. Now in case you have your Telegram X, you'll have to log in. So the code has been sent to my official Telegram app. So I just have to copy the code from my official Telegram app. So I'll have to just paste in the code right here, and here we are. My account is now running currently. Now in this case, what you have to always do, make sure that you have Telegram on multiple devices as you can. If you have a PC, you put it on the PC. If you have a phone, another phone, you put it on another phone. In case you lose this phone or something happens on the other phone, you're able to still access your Telegram. If you log in, the code will send to any of your devices. But in case you lose all, then you'll have to subscribe to the premium package.